Yes, this is very historical moment to all the Garos people because you have seen the district council is in 1952. We got the district councils. From the 1952 till now, we are not amended to any single rules. This rules is Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951. So, so this district council is only for the tribals. But we have seen this previous year. Some of the non-tribals are contesting in the district council, and they won, and they are in MDCs in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So this district council is not for the non-tribal. This is only for the tribal, and this is only for the Garo peoples. So that's why. So therefore, so we need to pass the bill to para it is essential to vote at the election sub number A, B, C. Then number D, we have amended this bill. So we know and we understand last 70 years back, previous years. So there are loads of political parties are rule in autonomous district council, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Some is, I don't want to mention any party, but they know this council is only belong to the Garo peoples. But why this political party are not fulfill this bill? So during the NPP government, so led of NPP led EC and our honorable chief minister, we got under our honorable chief minister. So in this time, in NPP during the NPP led EC, so we passed the bill. So that's why we celebrate. So loads of we need to pass the laws. Bills are there. So we need to pass the Garo customary law. This is the most importance in for the Garo peoples. Then another also separate electoral rolls is there. So we will try to do level best in 6 months. So I don't know or we don't know. So it will take much. I think 1 year. It will take time 1 year. So this is salary are getting from this state.